Hi everyone, this is Dr. Eti. Now today we are going to solve this problem. Root of 3x square plus 1 here plus 4 by root of 3x square plus 1 equals to 5. First of all, write the given equation here, considered equation number 1. Next that root of 3x square plus 1 equals to considered y. Then automatically 1 by root of 3x square plus 1 equals to 1 by y. So both values here substitute by the given equation. In place of root of 3x square plus 1 means y, 1 by root of 3x square plus 1 means right 1 by y. Then y plus here 4 is there, 4 into 1 4 by y equals to 5. Then y square minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Y square in place of minus 5y, right, minus 4y minus y plus 4 equals to 0. Minus 4y minus y means correct suitable coefficient factors in this equation. Why? Because minus 4y minus y means minus 5y, and multiplicating these two will get plus 4y square. Okay, then these two terms y into y minus 4, next that minus 1 into y minus 4, then we'll get, this is minus, then we'll get again y minus 4 here common factor, therefore y minus 4 into remaining y minus 1 equals to 0. Then y equals to 1 and y equals to 4. Here y means root of 3x square plus 1, that is 1. 3x square plus 1 means 1 square also 1. Then 3x square equals to 0, x equals to 0. Next that root of 3x square plus 1 equals to 4. Squaring on both sides, then square root gets cancelled. 3x square plus 1, 4 square means 16. Then 3x square equals to 16 minus 1, 15. X square equals to 5. 15 by 3, 5. X equals to plus or minus root 5. Therefore, the roots of the given equation are 0 plus or minus root 5. This is the roots of the given equation. Here, it is a given equation, root of 3x square plus 1 plus 4 by root of 3x square plus 1 equals to 5. Okay, thank you.